Hello students, welcome back. I am Gaurav Ahuja, your maths teacher. बच्चों, today we are going to start the chapter factorization, chapter number 7 from R.S. Agrawal, class 8. Students, if I will ask, what will be the factors of 12? बच्चों, I know you will say 6 into 2. We will get 12. Also 2 into 6, that is same. Order is different, but the numbers are same. 4 into 3, 3 into 4. Next, we are getting the product of different numbers, and if we will multiply these two numbers, we will get 12. We can write it as, yes, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. So we can have many factors of 12. One more factor, that is 12 into 1. We are not taking that one right now. It means a number can be represented as the product of two or more different numbers when the number is composite number. Similarly, if I will multiply x by x plus 2, what I will get, bachcho? You will say x multiplied by x, that is x square. X multiplied by 2 will get 2x with positive sign in between. Means x into x, that is x square, plus x into 2, that is 2x. Now, if I have given this expression and I want to factorize it, what does it mean? इसका मतलब क्या है कि if we are factorizing x square plus 2x. बच्चों, as we can see, after multiplication of x and x plus 2, we got x square plus 2x. Now, if this expression we have and we want to find by what two expression when multiplied we got this expression, that is known as factorization. Means, what is factorization? When an algebraic expression can be written as the product of two or more expressions, then each of these expressions is called a factor of the given expression. Okay, let's understand this definition. Suppose I am giving x square plus 2x, okay, and we want to find the algebraic expressions that we multiplied and got this answer. Then easily we can see that x square plus 2x, in these two terms x is common. So what we will do, we will take x as common, we will put the bracket x square. We have taken 1x outside the bracket, so out of x square 1x has been taken outside the bracket, so only 1x will be remaining. Similarly, plus 2x, again from this expression x is taken as common, so inside the bracket after plus sign we will get plus 2. Got it? Okay, again I am explaining x square plus 2x. As you can see, x and x square we are having common as x. Actually the common is x, and this is power 2 and this is power 1. Which is less, x square or x only? Yes, x to the power 1 or x is least, having least power. So what we will do, we will take x to the power 1 or just x as common. Now out of x square we have taken 1x remaining, plus x has been taken outside, so plus 2 is remaining. These are known as factor of this algebraic expression. Means I have converted this expression into the product of two algebraic expression. Students, I would like to tell you the concept behind taking common in an algebraic expression. Suppose I have given x cube plus 3x square plus 2x. Now we can easily see x cube, x square, x. these x are known as variables, and 3, 2, these are constants. So same variable x, same variable x, same variable x, but the power is 3, 2 and 1. Which is less? Which is least? Yes, this one, x to the power 1 or just x. I am taking common as x. Now if we are taking x as common, it actually means that we are dividing this expression, first term, second term and third term, by x. So what we will get? If you will divide x cube by x, what you will get? X square. Again 3x square by x, 3x. 2x by x, 2. Okay, got it? So this is, we have converted this algebraic expression into the product of two simple expression. These are known as factors of the given expression. Okay students, let's take some more examples. Suppose we have given a number of an algebraic expression, that is 5x plus 25. As we can see, 5 and 25 both number are divisible by 5. We can take 5 as common. Inside the bracket what we will have? X, because we have taken 5 as common. इसलिए इस 5x को हम 5 से डिवाइड करेंगे और इस 25 को भी we will divide it by 5. So the answer is 5 bracket x plus 5. Got it? So we have factorized this algebraic expression into two simpler algebraic expression. Let's take one more example. Suppose we have 3x square y plus 9y square x. Now as we can see, 3 and 9 both number are divisible by 3. Here we have x square, here we have x. So we can take x as common, the minimum power x to the power 1, x square. So we can take x as a common from both the part, and similarly y and y square. We can take y as common. So what I am taking 3x common and y also. What we will have inside the bracket बच्चों? 3x square y. 3 common means we have to divide 3x square y by this common. When you will divide 3x square y by 3xy, you will have x. फिर से मैं बता रहा हूं बच्चों, ये 3x square y है, हमने 3xy बाहर कॉमन ले लिया, 3y कॉमन, x स्क्वायर में से एक x कॉमन, तो एक x बचा, प्लस सिमिलरली व्हाट वी विल हैव 3 3s are 9. As we are dividing this expression by 3xy ना, तो 3 3s are 9. y स्क्वायर में से एक y बाहर आ गया, अंदर एक y बचा, x का एक बाहर पहले ही आ चुका है. So the factors of the given expression is 3xy bracket x plus 3y. Okay students, now it is time to start the chapter, that is chapter 7, factorization, exercise 7a. We are starting from question number first. The first part is 12x plus 15. As you can see, what will be the HCF of 12 and 15 बच्चों? The HCF of 12 and 15 will be 3. So what we will do? We will take 3 as common. Inside the bracket 3 4 ja 12, x as it is, plus 3 5 ja 15. So the answer is 3 bracket 4x plus 5. Similarly, second question, 14m minus 21. 7 common, 14 and 21, what will be the HCF? The maximum number, the highest number by which these two numbers can be divided. These two numbers can be divided, that is 7. So 7 2s are 14m, 7 3s are 21. So the answer is 7 bracket 2m minus 3. The third question is 9n minus 12n square. As we can see, the HCF of 9 and 12 is 3. Similarly, we have n and n square. The least power, that is n. So what we will do? 3 common and n also common. 3 3s are 9, Clear? N has taken common as outside the bracket, so no number will be there, or you can say 1, but we don't write 1, otherwise one step will be increased. तो क्या कर रहे हैं हम इसमें और इसमें देखा हमने HCF क्या आ रहा है, दैट इज 3 3 3 9 3 4 12 एंड n स्क्वायर में से छोटा कौन है, दैट इज n. तो 3n वी आर टेकिंग एज कॉमन, तो 3 3 9, n has been taken outside, minus 3 4 12, and in n square we have taken 1n common, so 1n is remaining. So the answer is 3n bracket 3 minus 4n. These are the factors of the given algebraic expression. In question number 3, the first part is we have given 24 and 36. What will the HCF of 24 and 36? 6. And x cube and x square y. X square is common, but we have y here, but y first part में तो है नहीं. What we will do? 6 common and smaller one, that is x square common. 6 4 जा 24, x cube में से एक x square बाहर है, that is 1x remaining, minus 6 6 जा 36. Now we will see the HCF will be 12. Got it? Because 24 and 36, 12 to the 24, 12 to the 36. I am just changing that one because this is the doubt that students have. They are taking 6 as common and after that they say कि हमारा आंसर तो मैच नहीं कर रहा. So HCF is 12. 12x square. 12 to the 24. Okay, and 12 3 the 36. X square common है, that is inside the bracket we will have y. So the answer will be 12x square bracket 2x minus 3y. In the next part what we have, 10x square x cube 15x square. बच्चों 5 and smaller one, that is x square common. 5 to the 10, x cube में से 1x square बाहर, that is x minus 5 3 the 15 and x square completely we have taken outside as common. So the answer will be 5x square bracket 2x minus 3. Third part you have to do yourself. Fourth question, first part. Again we have to factorize this expression. 9, 6 and 12. HCF is 3. X cube, x square and x. HCF will be x, the smaller one, that is common in all the terms. So the common will be 3x. 3 3 is 9 and x cube, we have taken x as common. X square will be remainder. Means x square will be quotient. X cube divided by x, we will get x square. Again 3 2 is 6. X square, out of x square we have taken x as common, plus 3 4 is 12 and x we have taken as common. That will be the answer of the first part. In question number second, again 8, 72 and 12. What will be the HCF of these numbers? That will be 4. Okay, and x cube, x and x. In these three terms we have x only as a common. So what will be common? 4 then x. Inside the bracket what we will have? 4 to the x cube में से x common, that is x square. 4 then 72. What we will write? 72 divided by 4, 18. X common, y बचा हुआ है, plus 4 3 the 12, x as it is common. That is the answer. 2x square minus 18y plus 3. Outside the bracket we have 4x. Got it? Third question you have to do yourself. Question number 5. First part, 14, 21, 28. HCF is 7. X cube, x4, x square. Yes, x square will be common. Y square, but we don't have y in the first term now, so we cannot take as y as common. Okay, so what we will do? 7 x cube x square. 7 x square is common. 7 2 the 14. Out of x cube x square हमने बाहर ले लिया है. 1x remaining plus 7 3 the 21. x4 में से x square बाहर ले लिया है. That is x square. Now y same as it is. 7 4 the 28. X square common. Remaining, that is y square. So that is the answer of the fifth question, first part. Again, in the second part, बच्चों आप ध्यान से देखो इस क्वेश्चन को. अभी ये जो एक्सप्रेशन है that is not arranged properly, means it should be like 20t square, then minus 10t, then minus 5. Now we will take common. 20, 10, 5. 5 common. T square t, but we don't have t here na, so we cannot take t as common. So 5 is common. 5 4s are 20. T square. 5 2s are 10. 5 1s are 5. So the answer is 5 bracket 4t square minus 2t minus 1. In question number 6, we have x bracket x plus 3 plus 5 bracket x plus 3. We can see easily that x plus 3 in the both term we have x plus 3. So we can take x plus 3 as common. Inside the bracket we will have x plus 3 to common aa chuka, that is plus, then 5, and again x plus 3 to bahar aa chuka as a common. So the answer will be x plus 3, x plus 5. Similarly, in second question, x minus 4, 7, 5x. In 5x and 7, no HCF is there, but x minus 4 we can see as a common. So x minus 4 taken as common. Inside the bracket 5x minus 7. Because x minus 4, this x minus 4 we have taken as common. Remaining part, that is 5x, then minus, then 7. Got it? Student, question number 7, that is 6a a minus 2b plus 5b a minus 2b. Very easy question now. A minus 2b is common as these two terms are same. What we will have inside the bracket, 6a, then plus, then 5b. These two terms we have taken as common. What is remaining? That is 6a, then plus, then 5b. This is the answer. 8th question. Question number 8. That is x cube 2a minus b plus x square 2a minus b. Now 2a minus b common. X cube and x square we can take x square as common. Clear? So what we will do? X square bracket 2a minus b. Inside the bracket what we will have? देखो बच्चों, x cube x square common, 2a minus b 2a minus b common. So x cube we have taken x square as common, so 1x remaining, and 2a minus b outside the bracket, so nothing is there. Now x square we have taken common, and 2a minus b we have taken as common. So what will be the part we will have when it is divided by this common? We will have 1, because x square 2a minus b, that is x square 2a minus b. We have taken it outside, so what will be after just plus sign? That will be 1. So the answer is x square 2a minus b, x plus 1. Okay students, 9th question, try yourself. 10th question I am explaining. X plus 5 whole square minus 4x plus 5. As we can see, just before minus we have x plus 5 whole square, minus के बाद we have 4x plus 5. So x plus 5 is common. X plus 5 whole square, x plus 5 हमने common ले लिया, and we have whole square. So inside the bracket we will have 1x plus 5 whole square है ना, x plus 5 एक common लिया, so we will have x plus 5 as inside the bracket, then x plus 5 outside the bracket, minus 4. That is 5 minus 4, that is 1. So what we will do? Yes, we will write the answer. That will be x plus 5 and 5 minus 4, 1. X plus 1. These are the factor of the given expression. Okay? Now 2a plus 6b minus 3a plus 3b whole square. This question is very important बच्चों. As we can see, a plus 3b, 2a plus 6b. This आपको कुछ कॉमन नहीं दिखाई दे रहा होगा बच्चों इसमें, लेकिन मुझे दिख रहा है. देखो ध्यान से. इन दोनों टर्म में 2 कॉमन. We'll have a plus 3b, then minus 3a plus 3b whole square. Now a plus 3b, a plus 3b. a plus 3b is common. Inside the bracket we will have 2 minus 3 and a plus 3b whole square, and we have taken a plus 3b as common. So inside the bracket 1a plus 3b will be there. Okay, now open the bracket. What we will have? A plus 3b, 2 minus 3, multiply inside the bracket 3a minus 9b. Clear? Minus 3a minus plus minus हो जाएगा, that is minus का 9b. That is the answer. I hope this question will be clear to all of you बच्चों. Okay students, question number 13. 16 2p minus 3q whole square minus 4 2p minus 3q, 2p minus 3q, 2p minus 3q, 4 16. So what will the common? 4 and 1 2p minus 3q. Apply the bracket. 4 4 जा 16, then 2p minus 3q whole square है बच्चों, हमने एक 2p minus 3q कॉमन ले लिया है. So what we will have? 2p minus 3q to the power 1, or you can just say 2p minus 3q minus 4 4 1 2p minus 3q same. So what will the remainder? That is 1. Now solve this. What we will have? 4 2p minus 3q inside the bracket 4 2s are 8p, 4 3s are 12q, and then 1. This is the answer. This question number 14 is very important बच्चों. x a minus 3, y 3 minus a. आपको कुछ कॉमन नहीं दिख रहा होगा इसमें, लेकिन मुझे दिख रहा है, ध्यान से देखना. a minus 3, 3 minus a. Both are same, but the sign are different. What we will do? X a minus 3. This sign, if we will take minus common from this bracket, बच्चों अगर इस ब्रैकेट से मैं माइनस कॉमन ले लूं तो ये a माइनस 3 बन जाएगा, बिकॉज ये पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा, ये नेगेटिव हो जाएगा. तो व्हाट आई एम डूइंग? माइनस प्लस की जगह मैंने माइनस कॉमन ले लिया, दैट इज y. नाउ इट हैज बिकम a माइनस 3. अब देखो दिख रहा है ना, a माइनस 3 a माइनस 3. तो बस इसमें एक माइनस कॉमन लेना था, तो ये ध्यान रखना, ठीक है. तो a माइनस 3 a माइनस 3 नाउ कॉमन inside the bracket x minus y. That is the answer. This is very important question बच्चों. Okay students, the next question, question number 15. 12 2x minus 3y whole square minus 16 3y minus 2x. फिर से देखो आप, 2x minus 3y 3y minus 2x. Signs are different ना. What we have to do? Just recall the previous question. First we will write the expressions as it is. We'll take minus from this bracket, minus minus plus 16 and rearrange it, because minus कॉमन लिया है तो ये प्लस का हो जाएगा, ये माइनस का, that is 2x minus 3y. Now 12 and 16 4 is common, 2x minus 3y 2x minus 3y, 2x minus 3y is common, so 4 bracket 2x minus 3y. Inside the bracket 4 3s are 12, 2x minus 3y whole square, and we have taken 1 2x minus 3y common. So inside the bracket 2x minus 3y plus 4 4 ja 16 and 2x minus 3y as it is common outside the bracket. So just leave it. Now solve this expression. What you will get? 4 2x minus 3y and 3 2s are 6x, 3 3s are 9y. Got it? And next will be plus 4. This is the answer. Okay, next question. X plus y 2x plus 5, x plus y x plus 3. As we can see, x plus y is common बच्चों. Inside the bracket 2x plus 5 minus x plus y common है ना, तो ब्रैकेट में we will apply x plus 3 because of this minus sign. ठीक है, अगर यहाँ माइनस साइन होता है तो ब्रैकेट अभी ओपन नहीं करते, अब करेंगे ओपन. x plus y 2x plus 5 माइनस से दोनों साइन चेंज, दैट इज x minus 3. And when we will solve this expression, what we will get? Let me know बच्चों, what we will get? X plus y 2x minus x, that is x. 5 minus 3 will be 2. So the answer is x plus y bracket x plus 2. Got it? Okay student, question number 17 and 18. 17th question is very important but very easy question. AR plus BR plus AT plus BT. Student, as we can see, R is common. A plus B plus. बच्चों इस पूरे में देखोगे आप कुछ कॉमन नहीं आ रहा, लेकिन पेयर्स में देखोगे तो कॉमन आ रहा है. तो वी आर टेकिंग R एज कॉमन, A plus B is inside the bracket. Again T is common, A plus B is common inside the bracket. A plus B, we can see na, A plus B common. So inside the bracket R plus T, that will be the answer. Question number 18th. X square minus AX minus BX plus AB. Again, बच्चों, as you can see, we have pair, one pair, second pair. कुछ common है ना? That is X common, X minus A. In these two, in this pair, B and B common na, but we have minus sign na, so take minus B common. Inside the bracket, it will become positive, then positive sign will become minus because we have taken minus common लिया ना बच्चों, तो ये plus का sign minus में convert हो जाएगा और B common आ चुका बाहर, A रह जाएगा. So X minus A common और remaining कौन बचा? X minus B. I hope this will be clear to all of you. Okay students, question number 19. AB square minus BC square minus AB plus C square. बच्चों अब ध्यान से देखना, शुरू के पेयर में कुछ कॉमन है लेकिन बाद के पेयर में कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं है. ओके, तो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू इज इन दोनों में बोलो कॉमन क्या आ रहा है? B. ये B square, this is B. B कॉमन ले लो. What we will have? AB minus C square. Okay? AB minus C square. इन दोनों में कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं, तो what we will do? We will take one common, but because of minus sign, we are taking minus 1 as common. So minus common लिया है, AB ये plus का हो जाएगा, that will become minus C square. Now AB minus C square, AB minus C square, it will come outside the bracket as common. So AB minus C square and B minus 1. Got it? Very important question. 20th question. X square minus XZ. बच्चों क्या कॉमन आया? X minus Z. Again XY minus YZ. Take Y as common. X minus Z. X minus Z. X minus Z. Again it will be common. Inside the bracket we will have X plus Y. Okay? In this video हम सिर्फ 20 तक क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं और नेक्स्ट वीडियो में I will send all the solution of the remaining question. That's all for today बच्चों. Kindly share this video to your friends if they are studying class 8th. Okay? God bless you. Take care बच्चों. Bye bye.